Hi everybody, it's Miss Tracy here at the Little Blue House, and I'm so excited to bring you a fun little project today. I'm going to show you how to create your own custom, adorably cute scissor keepers. Let me show you these. All right, does that sound like fun? Okay, let's get started. So this is what I'm using today, just a plain old pot holder, nothing special here. This is one that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. They have a ton of really cute colors right now, pinks and greens and pretty spring colors, but I chose blue just because of the Little Blue House. That's the name of my studio. So this is all that you need for this project. You need one pot holder. You need hot glue. That's essentially all you need. And then if you want to embellish it, you can grab a few of your other supplies for that. So this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to have the scissor keeper at kind of like what would we call that? A diamond shape. Don't be looking at it like a square, be looking at it like a diamond shape. And I'm going to take this now and fold it. I'm just going to show you. I'm going to fold it just like that. Okay, super simple. No glue at this point. I'm going to add glue along this top, what do you call that, band? The band or yeah, I guess the band, the piping. Let's just call it an edge. Over that top edge. Now I'm going to close the pot holder over just like that. I'm going to hold it just for a second because I only put glue on that piping, okay, on that edge of the pot holder. So I'm going to hold it down for just a second to make sure it's going to hold. And now I kind of have this gap right here. Now I'm just simply going to go in with a little bit of hot glue and just fill in the gap. And press that down. It's that easy. It's so easy, and I think these are just so cute and fun. And now I have my own little custom scissor keeper. Look at this, see? This one's a pretty big one, so I could even put more than one pair of scissors in here. And I have the little hanger now. I could tie this onto my tote, like your craft tote, or even off of a peg and hang them along the wall in your studio. I think it's so cute. And I think these would be fun to do even for like your kitchen scissors or things like that. So let's embellish this one just a little bit. I'm going to use some felt to do that. This is just a yellow square felt, and I have a little green square felt here. And I'm going to be using a friction pin. This is a pin that disappears when you put heat to it. And I'm just going to be drawing out a circle to start. And then inside the circle, I'm going to be drawing kind of like a cyclone. Round and round and round and round and round. So when I pop this ink, friction is F-R-I-X-I-O-N by Pilot. When I pop it with heat like an iron, or usually I just use my heat gun, you could even use your blow dryer, the ink will just disappear. So can you see what I've drawn there? I drew it kind of lightly, just kind of round and round and round and round. And now I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut this out. Some of you have dies that will do this to make these pretty rosettes, but you don't have to actually have a die to do this. So that's why I wanted to show you how to make this little flower today. So now I've just got to kind of get inside and start following my lines. It does not have to be perfect. They look better if it's not perfect. So please don't worry too much about we'll call it a twister, your twister flowers, your cyclone flowers. Just go round and round and round until we get to the end. Okay, so your end will look something kind of like that. So let's lay this back out so you can see what it looks like. See if I can get it back into its shape here. There we go. So that is kind of how it looks before we actually make it into the flower. Now to make it into the flower, I'm going to hold this up like this. And I'm going to take this tail, not the center, the tail, and I'm going to start rolling. Just rolling, rolling, rolling. I want this will be the center of the new flower, so I want it to be nice and tight. Okay, you see where I'm headed there? Now, once I have the center done, I'm gonna start kind of working back and forth between my fingers and just start going around and around and around. Not super tight. You can loosen up a little bit at this point. Very, very cute. Now I'm going to turn it over when I get to the end here, and I'm going to layer in some hot glue and push that down. Now I'm going to push it down onto my table here. I mean, look how cute is that? I think I need to pull this around a little bit tighter. Let me just pull that around just a little bit more. Okay, there we go. That's much better. Push it down hard in the center of the flower. Isn't that cute? I think that is just adorable. So easy to make these, y'all. And then I'm gonna cut a couple of little leaves, just like little teardrop shaped leaves here to embellish my scissor keeper. This will be so cute. All right, so let me decide kind of how I want to put these on. I'm doing all of this just with hot glue. Really simple. You don't even have to plaster it all down. It looks kind of cute if the leaves kind of lift up a little bit. Put some hot glue on my flower. Put my flower right in the center. Let me hold it just for a second. And voila, I have my adorable, cute, finished scissor keeper. Isn't that so fun? Now, these could be used for all kinds of things. I mean, you could keep other things in them. Just scissors just seem to be great for us as crafters. I want you to even envision this. Envision like using these to hold utensils, right? Like utensils and napkins. Like maybe you're setting up a fun table arrangement and you want to lay these on each of your dinner plates. Or maybe it's an outdoor barbecue this summer. Do them in red and white check. Wouldn't that be cute with all the plasticware, paper towel, you know, napkin, all the stuff inside? I think that would be adorable. I also think they kind of look cute as little gifty, like putting little small gifts or things inside of them. But for me, this is going to become a scissor keeper. So I think it's really fun. So y'all try this out. Grab your pot holders. Have a little fun crafting at home. Okay? Keep creating, and thank you for watching. Remember, you can follow me for more projects at Miss Tracy Creates on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you. Bye.